Storytelling is the most sought after skill for speakers, and sometimes you might find it a little bit frightening as well. How do you come up with great stories? In this video, I'm going to take you through what to do to kind of figure this out. So the most important thing about storytelling is to set up context. So the situation, place, space, location connected to like an emotion or a human need. So where is this happening and what's going on? To address the right context, I use this really cool map that's called the limbic map of motivational drivers. It's a map of human needs placed between kind of three main personality types: the dominant, the balanced, and the stimulant. To translate this into more like everyday terms, this represents people who believe that either power is the most important thing to have in life, or it's relationships really the most important thing that you have in life, or it's personal achievement of some sort. So on this map, there are words such as power, fame, fun, individualism, creativity. Down here you see family, loyalty, home. So what I do is when I would try to come up with great stories, I think about my topic. Let's say I have a talk about imposter syndrome or stage fright and I see the word home. So my question is, like what's happening at home with a person with imposterism? What are they thinking, feeling, doing when they are at home? You know, dealing maybe with their own catastrophic mind? So to answer these questions, what are they doing? Like what are their actions around the house? Which room are they in? What is their immediate surroundings? What day is it? Is it like daytime? Is it nighttime? Are there people in the room? Are they alone? So situational time and space sort of thing. The second question is, what are they thinking? So what are they hoping, dreaming, contemplating? What's really going on in their mind? Is it, maybe they're speakers and they've given a talk and now they're catastrophizing, or it's before they've given a talk and they might be over preparing. So the train of thought is what's interesting to me when I'm trying to come up with a story. And the third question is, what are they feeling? Can I describe an emotion? Where is this emotion situated? Like where in the body does it reside? Do you feel your shoulders getting, constrained, or maybe your heart is beating faster? Can I use a metaphor to describe this feeling more adequately? When I know these answers, then I can design a story to describe this event, adding more detail into it, like maybe adding some dialogue, some rhetorical questions, details like color or shapes or clothes they're wearing. So take a look at this limbic map, think about your content, and then pick a word or maybe even a word cloud, or maybe 3 different words from each personality type, so that you can come up with a story that will resonate with different personalities, and you'll see how well you can shape up a story using, of course, your content for your audiences yourself.